right, HubSpot service fundamentals. And there's only one thing here, Craig.
That's right. Look, we cut this right down. We were going to talk about surveys and all kinds of things, but it's just use views. We've got a big client. We're actually doing training with their customer success team, all on tickets. And really, we're just showing them how to use views. I think they've got 40, 50 customer service agents. And none of them know how to use views. They're doing all kinds of convoluted things to find their tickets, and they don't have layouts. And just by doing a bit of training and saying, oh, here's how to use views on, by the way, here's how you can lay out your left hand sidebar, just so much more efficient. I don't want to harp on this too much, but people do fall into that shiny object syndrome where they're like, oh, there's this new AI feature for doing such and so. Oh, what's this new lead scoring or customer success scoring and all these kind of advanced things. Are like, you folks can't even work out how to get to a ticket quickly. Let's get that, and we'll unlock so much in terms of save time for you. Then you'll have lots more time to run on the features. So just views. Service Hub, just get your views, make sure you're working them well.
Craig, I see a common thread in this episode is you need to be good at views.
You do. Really, it's 80% of efficiency, I feel.
Yeah.
And you notice we're not talking about automation.
Correct.
So many conversations, I feel, start with new prospects. They're like, oh, we want to automate all these procedures. I'm like, okay, just show me how you're using HubSpot currently. And they're just doing so much inefficient stuff.
Clicking around.
Yeah. And I can see why they're like, oh, they want to replace this with automation. I get it. I know why you want automation. You think that's the solution. But actually, the solution is not automation yet. It's actually just being really efficient with what you're doing.
Yeah.
So don't try and solve this inefficiency with automation. Solve it with just a bit of training. Then when we get that really efficient, what do you repeatedly do? Okay, we'll automate that stuff. So get views working first, get efficient, then you can talk about automation later.